In this video, we will tackle how to create and set up your custom objects in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot homepage, and from in there, proceed to click onto this gear icon that you can see onto this case. This is actually the settings of HubSpot, so proceed to go from there. Once you're in here, you can see right here our settings. So for this case, just scroll down until you can find the option for objects. It's under data management right here. So expand objects right there, and once you do, proceed to scroll down and locate for the custom objects option. It's here on the very last part, so click on the custom objects right here. Once you do, click on this create custom object option that will appear. Once you have clicked on it, you will be redirected to a new page because it's only available onto the Service Hub Professional. And as of right now, we're currently onto the Pro trial. So for this case, you can all start a 14-day trial for this particular part. And once you do, you can actually create and assign custom objects directly from there. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up yet for HubSpot, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.